Hello everyone and welcome for this quick tip on how to see yourself and your colleagues while presenting on Teams and Zoom. A lot of people have problems with seeing themselves and their colleagues while actually presenting a PowerPoint or otherwise sharing their screen while on Zoom or Teams. So I thought we'd go through just a quick little tip on how to actually get to see your colleagues while doing that. Right here I have a Zoom call that I have together with me, myself and I. And we're gonna just go ahead and share our screen. Click on PowerPoint and we go into presenter mode. The problem we face now is that we can't see anyone, right? The problem is actually that we need to turn our webcam on. So you start your video and then you go ahead and share your screen again, the PowerPoint. And now you can actually see yourself, what you're presenting here, as well as yourself if you're having a call with yourself. And otherwise you can just show a grid view. And here you're going to be able to see all your participants. And please make sure that you have a look at this window instead of your own PowerPoint presentation. Now we're going to move over to Teams. Now let's have a look at what we do here in order to be able to see ourselves while we are actually presenting something. So we go ahead and click share. We choose our window, which is going to be PowerPoint for this one. And we push PowerPoint into presenter mode. So let me move myself over in order for you to see this important little box. So right here, you can actually see the small box of the person talking. So that would be me in this instance. Or you can see one of the other participants while they're raising their hand. In case you want to see all of them, you simply click on that little box and you get the full view of all the participants, including yourself. And you can make this window smaller or larger on your computer, depending on how much of your own PowerPoint you want to see. And then if you don't want to see everyone, you want to focus on your PowerPoint, you simply click minimize and the small window appears again. And you can bring it up and down however many times you want to. So that's it for the quick tips. But please make sure that you have a close look at your participants rather than your own PowerPoint.